Coming up on CityView, goodbye gas pump, hello Stevie the EV loving T-Rex. We'll fill you in on how the city is making electric vehicles more affordable. Plus, the Asian American Resource Center spices things up with a celebration highlighting the growing Asian Pacific American population in Central Texas. And a job fair provides a second chance for people with a criminal history to find work. Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. Families and neighbors of the Colony Park Sustainable Community attended a public open house and preview of the Colony Park development at the Turner Roberts Recreation Center.
The Colony Park Sustainable Community is a vision developed with a 3-year engagement and planning process with the community. And what we're doing here now today is to find the master developer who will turn that vision into reality.
This development actually fits the vision that the city and
So there are a lot of events. They'll be able to see a video that the developer prepared for this event, to vote and score that video, and then to have a fun event for the children and families.
My main goal is looking to see if the developer was able to answer the questions that we had about community benefits. And so we don't want the have and the have-nots. We want one large community where we can function as a community and work together.
The City of Austin's Economic Development Department looks forward to inviting the public to a follow-up meeting in September with a more detailed vision to the community. To learn more about the Colony Park Sustainable Community Project, visit austintexas.gov/colonypark. Getting a second chance, that was the point of the City of Austin's first Fair Chance Hiring Job Fair at the Conley Guerrero Senior Activity Center.
And then you just apply on there, and then what they'll do is they'll either shoot you an email or give you a phone call and do both.
The Fair Chance Hiring Ordinance, adopted by the City Council in 2016, aims to reduce recidivism and unemployment and increase reintegration for qualified job applicants with criminal histories. The ordinance places restrictions on certain private employers on when they can ask about a job applicant's criminal history and how that information can be used. Attendance exceeded all expectations with more than 600 job seekers attending the re-entry friendly event. Local employers were on hand showcasing current jobs available in the Austin area.
So this focused job fair is for everyone who is re-entry, people who are coming back to the community, be it 10 years ago or 2 days ago. They're looking for jobs, they're looking for an opportunity to start over, and all of the 25 plus employers here today are focused on that mission as well.
For more information and details about upcoming job fairs, visit austintexas.gov/fairchancehiring. With gas prices and temperatures on the rise, how will you say goodbye to the gas pump? Easy to use, easy to maintain, and easy to charge. Electric vehicles can save you money while helping the environment. Plus, a new state rebate worth up to $2,500 makes electric vehicles even more affordable. Stevie the EV-loving T-Rex wants everyone to drive electric and say goodbye to gas.
Drive electric, save with Austin Energy.
Oh, hey, Stevie, we were just talking about you. Do you have anything to add? Good point. More than 650 Austin Energy plug-in everywhere charging ports powered by 100% renewable green choice Texas wind energy make charging easy and affordable for only $4.17 a month. With options to lease, buy, or get a used EV, now is the time to go electric. Visit pluginaustin.com today for more information. Thanks for shimmying by, Stevie. The extreme heat we're experiencing already in Central Texas can be dangerous. Many people don't realize the limitations of the human body to endure heat. Austin Public Health offers the following list of tips people can take in hot weather to reduce the risk of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Stay in shaded areas, wear light clothing and a hat. Never leave another person or an animal in a closed parked vehicle. Drink plenty of fluids, especially water, and avoid beverages that contain alcohol, caffeine, or a lot of sugar. Plan strenuous outdoor activities for early or late in the day when temperatures are lower. Take frequent breaks when working outdoors. Take cool showers or baths, and consider using a spray bottle filled with cold water to cool off throughout the day. To learn more about the effects of extreme heat and how to stay safe this summer, visit the Center for Disease Control and Prevention website. The Asian American Resource Center presented its 5th annual Food and Heritage Festival, CelebrASIA Austin, 5 years, 5 spices. In honor of Asian Pacific American Heritage Month and the 5-year anniversary of the AARC, this year's festival theme was 5 spices. The event featured cultural performances, kids' activities, country experience rooms, culinary demonstrations, and a community resource fair. More than 1,000 visitors attended the event. CelebrASIA Austin highlights the growing Asian Pacific American population, which is the fastest growing demographic in Central Texas and constitutes nearly 8% of Austin's population. The AARC is located at 8401 Cameron Road in Northeast Austin. For more information about the facility, visit austintexas.gov/AARC. That's all for this week's City View. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy, and this is Stevie. Our next episode premieres Monday, June 25th. Thanks for watching.